Biopharma Group specialists have designed and developed 3 advanced instruments for critical event analysis and mechanical parameter determination of cake and lyobead quality, namely the Lyostat freeze-drying microscope, Lyotherm frozen state impedometer, and the micropress. These analytical instruments are specifically to help those employing freeze-drying technologies within their production or research projects, as well as being involved in the development of a compatible DSC imaging stage. Our Lyostat freeze-drying microscope identifies critical formulation parameters. It is PC-controlled to provide sophisticated image and data capture along with analysis functions. This allows the user to determine the failure point of their formulations, whereas analysis using the Lyotherm frozen state impedometer provides information about the behavior of your formulation in the frozen state, identifying changes in molecular mobility and giving an indication of thermal events such as glass transitions, crystallization events, and eutectic melting. The micropress was designed and developed by Biopharma Group specialists as a mechanical solution for determining the robustness and strength parameters of post-process lyophilized cakes and lyobeads. It uses a linear actuator to gently compress the cake while a load cell accurately measures the force applied. The resulting stress-strain profile captured by the integrated software is then exportable to Microsoft Excel for further interpretation and analysis. By performing this analysis, the user can determine how the cake will behave during storage and shipment. Biopharma Group is committed to ensuring that our instrumentation keeps pace with the needs of our users and of the industry. So, as our products and models have evolved from where we started, we continue to produce and provide the most advanced instruments on the market. To find out more about analytical instruments, please contact Biopharma Group today.